And talking specifically about onchocerciasis, which is a disease that I'm focusing my research on. It's a disease that infects about 37 million people globally, 99% of all cases in Africa. We have a disease that affects mostly the skin and the eyes and leads to blindness, second leading infectious cause of blindness globally. So there's no cure, no vaccine. The diagnostics are of very poor grade, you know. So I was like encouraged to get into this problem to try to see how I could contribute my scientific know-how, technical biochemistry background, to see how we could get this cure. I came here through WIPO Research, which is actually a program of the World Intellectual Property Organization. And WIPO Research is also having BVGS, BioVentures for Global Health, contributing to running that program. And the government of Australia, you know, graciously gave quite some good money to support this initiative. And so, thanks to that and my expression of interest, I was invited to come to Novartis to see how I could get some technology, do some technology transfer, and also create some collaboration, which could help in getting this cure for onchocerciasis. I've learned a lot here while during my stay here. The pharmaceutical approach, you know, is different somehow from the academic approach to drug discovery. And you could see that using that approach, you can see why pharmaceutical companies get molecules to the pharmacies. Get so many molecules to the pharmacy in record time. So when I go back, the focus will be on implementing what I've learned here. They might have learned one or two things also from me. I gave presentations, scientific presentations, and the questions that came up showed that they were really interested in the presentation, the topic. Some of them hearing of river blindness, onchocerciasis, for the first time. When you look at the network, WIPO Research Network, you have different organizations, companies, institutions with having comparative cost advantages coming together and helping each other. WIPO Research is standing as this pivot, this point that can help, you know, get all these resources together to try to get the cure, solutions to the problem much more rapidly. Tiny drops make up an ocean. And when I go back and I try to contribute my own share, encourage other people to come in and also contribute, I think at the end of the day, we will have this many zillions of drops that can make the ocean, more or less. So it begins with an individual.